Hello, in front of me I've got NexiGo Gripcon. In this video I'll show you how to connect it to Nintendo Switch. To connect your controller to Nintendo Switch, remove Joy-Cons from the Switch. It can be connected with classical Switch and Switch OLED. And now place it like here, like this, from the top, and slide it down. Make sure to go evenly. Then push it in and it's connected. In the end, turn on the console and as you can see, it's working. To disconnect it, keep your console like this and with your thumbs slide up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.